Hi! In front of me is OPPO F23 and today I would like to show you how you can remove password from Google Autofill. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Now click on your Google account and tap on the preferable one, in my case this one. Finally, click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Then click on one of your apps or websites, in my case Facebook, and enter your current login method. Lastly, to delete your password from Password Manager, click on Delete next to Edit and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!